Hello, I'm Phil Stoten. I'm here at SMTAI in Chicago, and I'm joined by Vineeth on the Nordson Dage booth. Vineeth, thanks for joining me. Good to meet you. You start by telling me a little bit about the new machine that you've got back here, and really the developments that are going on in the X-ray world.
So this is our new Nordson Dage X-ray machine with a sealed transmissive tube, which is a minimal maintenance tube with a feature size recognition up to 100 nanometers.
Okay.
It is pretty easy to use, and it has 3D add-on capabilities. So you can do a limited angle CT. So if you put a full board on it, you can do a full limited angle CT on it, and you can create a 3D model out of it. You can do a virtual cross-sectioning on the 3D model.
Okay. And the low maintenance lamp on it that you were talking about, is that because is there a demand for that? What's the need for that?
So again, sealed transmissive tube is exclusively for Dage. That's the technology that we developed. So that's one of the reasons our machine stands out in the market.
Right.
So typically your sources are an open tube, right? So you'll have to change the filament periodically. Yeah. So in this tube you have a crystal as an X-ray source. You don't have to change the filament, so that's why it's a minimal maintenance tube.
Okay.
So you put the tube in and don't worry about changing it for a long time.
Okay, that makes a big difference. And in terms of the feature sizes, the miniaturization, is that being driven by a particular industry, or is everybody demanding smaller and smaller feature sizes?
Everything is coming smaller. Nothing is getting bigger.
Yeah.
So
well, apart from the iPhone.
Apart from the iPhone, you're right. So we cater different industries. The top of the line machine has a feature size recognition of 100 nanometers.
Right.
So as the feature size becomes slower, we are allowed to work on. We are working on the detector and the X-ray source to get the most achievable minimum spot size.
Yeah, and when people are doing X-ray, are they doing X-ray in batch, or are they doing it in line? And how are they using it? Are they using it to test failure or to test every circuit?
So this can be used as a failure analysis tool, and also it has some automatic capability. So it's used in a laboratory environment and also in a production environment.
Okay, and when you're using it for failure analysis, obviously the analysis needs to help improve production. What kind of data protocols does it have? How does it output that data to the rest of the production management system? Okay.
You can do a simple 2D images, and you can look for defects like opens, cracks, or even better, you can actually run a full computer tomography, and which creates a 3D model, and you can actually virtually cross-section it and look for defects.
Okay, well, sounds great. Vineeth, thanks very much for talking to me, and good luck with the show. Thank you.
Thank you.